Siphinde sinibingelele kwi-KTV2. Wena-ke oqalayo ukungena kuleli khasi siyacela ukuba ucofe ibhathini usubscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola iy'ndaba njengoba zinjalo. UNdunankulu wase-Gauteng uPANYAZA LESUFI uthi lo mkhumbi uyacwila. I-ANC ingalokhu iyiziba indaba yokucwila kwalo mkhumbi ngoba iqiniso lithi bahlulekile okhethweni. Waphinde futhi wasexwayisa ngokuthi bangahlekisi ngokuthi uFloyd Shivambu ushiye i-EFF wayojoyina umkhonto wesizwe ngoba nabo banaleyo nkinga yokuthi abantu bahambile nakubona bayojoyina umkhonto wesizwe. Ake sizwe-ke uLESUFI eyibekela ngowakhe umlomo kulama video alandelayo.
Comrades, we lost elections. We must accept. We can redefine that loss in various ways, a strategic retreat, a strategic defeat. In reality, defeat is defeat. And we must not cry at the wrong funeral. We must cry at the right funeral, which is that we lost power. The ship is sinking. And this particular ship is sinking at a faster rate. Instead of all of us trying to check and save this ship from sinking, we are squabbling amongst ourselves on who must take ownership of the ship. You can take the ownership of the ship, but the ship will be at the belly of the sea and it will be meaningless. The voters have sent the message that they've sent, comrade, and we ignore them again. We either adapt or we perish. We either adapt or we die. We either adapt or we must close shopping. And comrades, it's not going to assist anyone to finger point to say, this province made us to lose, this province made us to lose. All of us, averagely as a country, we achieved 40%, and that's a loss, and we must tinter ourselves and rise and rebuild this movement. Reality is, the departure of the Deputy President of EFF, Floyd Shivambu, from EFF to MK Party, it can't be seen as a non-entity. It's a historic event. And as the leadership of the ANC, we must analyze it in a manner that will strengthen the presence of the ANC. If we are going to be quick to celebrate the departure of Comrade Floyd from the EFF, we'll forget that ourselves we are going through a departure of members of the ANC to MK Party. Yes. That we are still going through that particular process. So we must manage these departures in a manner that we don't get easily excited. We might be experienced. When UDM was established, they came out of this political party called African National Congress. When COPE was established, they came out of this political party called the African National Congress. When MK Party was established, they came out of this political party. So the departure of Comrade Floyd from the ANC is a double-edged sword that we need to manage carefully.